How do you make low carb lower? All right, here it goes. So you can actually change the glycemic index, which is how fast a carbohydrate will raise blood sugar. So this little trick will actually reduce the glycemic index by 30%. There's two things you can do. Each one works individually. But so here is my breakfast, and I'm having organic chicken, organic collards, and organic radishes. So how do I make that low glycemic or low carb? It already is low carb. Here we go. Okay, so if you add a little bit of fat to it, it changes the glycemic index. So I'm using a virgin olive oil. And remember, virgin olive oil is meant to be cold, so it's not to be heated. So I'm just pouring it on my collards. And then I'll put a splash of organic vinegar on it with the mother, which means the enzymes in it. There you go. We just changed the glycemic load. We just made carbs, no carb. Or can you go negative? Negative carb. Jimmy check.